Hey guys, it's your girl Sunshine Curls and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I want to show you a quick and easy hairstyle that you could do right after wash day. It's a simple twist in a bun. So first we're going to start off with freshly washed hair. I already have my hair separated into twists because this is how I wash it. If you want me to do a wash day video, just comment below and let me know and I'll go ahead and get that done. So first we're going to grab our favorite leave-in conditioner, your favorite oil that you like to use, and we're going to take down these twists and get these bad boys moisturized. So I've been using the Shea Moisture and Manuka Honey Mafura Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I hope I said that right. That is a mouthful. But as you can see, it is so hard to get out of that bottle. But this leave-in conditioner has been working wonders for me. Ever since I did my hair porosity test, I realized that I have low porosity hair and I need to moisturize my hair a lot more, and that's why I've been experiencing like a lot of breakage. So something like the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Leave-In Conditioner, it really packs on all of the moisture and it's exactly what I need. If you want me to do a porosity hair video, comment below and let me know and I'll also do that. So for the twist, we're just doing single twists for a majority of the hair. I'm not using any comb to do the parts. Not really worried about the parts, just worried about my hair being protected for the week, and that's it. So once we're done twisting everything up, all we're left with is a two big twists at the top, and those we're going to turn into flat twists. Depending on how big you leave the section at the top of your head, you're going to have about 6 to 8 to maybe 10 flat twists up top. If you want to use a comb to make your parts a lot neater, you could definitely go ahead and do that. Make it as neat as you want it to be. But if you're anything like me, then you're a lazy natural and using your hands is gonna do just fine. You'll see by the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume that if not everyone, then most people know how to do flat twists. So I did not do like a slow down version of this clip, but if you would like me to do a separate video just on how to do flat twists, then comment below and let me know and I'll definitely make that video for you. Now that that's done, you're gonna grab a scrunchie, hair accessories. Today I'm gonna use the hair clips, the little gold clips, and we're gonna put the hair into a bun. Now this hairstyle should take you about no more than 30 minutes to 40, depending on how quick you do your hair to do. So I really love to do this hairstyle. It lasts me for about a week. And I just keep my hair in this bun for the rest of the week while I'm at work. I don't have to touch it, manipulate it, nothing. Stays protected and in this one hairstyle for a week. Until it's time for wash day, wash it, start it all over again. So especially in the winter when you don't want to have your hair exposed to the bitter cold, this is a really great hairstyle to do because you have your ends protected, because it's tucked into a bun, and you don't have to have your hair exposed too much to the cold weather. So now you're going to grab any hair accessory that you would like and you're going to accessorize the front of your hair, the back, the bun, all of it, whatever you choose to do. This is a part to have as much fun as you want to. Once you're done accessorizing, you could grab your favorite bandana or headband and And I use this because since I did not use a comb to do the part, the back is kind of looking a little crazy. So the bandana is going to do the trick to keep that part covered while still maintaining a cute and fun look. And there you have it, guys. This is the hairstyle. If you do like it, please like and share it with your friends. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. See you next time.